Crowns for dental use are a typical procedure that a lot of people are required to enhance the look and functionality of their teeth. If you've just received dental crowns, or you've been using them for some time, it is important to maintain the crowns properly so that they're durable and keep their function. This video will provide some suggestions about how you can take good care of your crowns so that they remain in good shape and looking great throughout the years. 1. Make sure to floss and brush regularly. Like natural teeth, crowns of dental need regular cleaning and flossing in order to keep them clear of plaque. Make use of a soft bristled brush and non-abrasive toothpaste for brushing your crowns twice every daily. Be sure to pay particular focus on the gum line where the crown is placed to stop bacteria from building up and leading to decay. Flossing can also help get rid of any food particles which may become stuck between the crown and adjacent teeth. 2. Beware of sticky or hard foods. Although dental crowns can last for a long time, however, they are still damaged by sticky or hard food items. Beware of chewing on hard candy, ice, or nuts, as well as other food items that cause too much pressure on your crowns and cause them to break or fall off. Foods that are sticky like caramel or chewing gum must also be avoided since they could be stuck on the crown and then pull it away from the tooth. 3. Use a mouthguard. When you are prone to grinding your teeth during the late at night or engage in sporting practices, wearing an oral guard can protect the dental crowns against damage. The grinding of your teeth could put excessive pressure on your crowns, which can cause the crowns to wear out prematurely. Mouthguards can cushion the force or grinding in sports and help prevent injury to the crowns of your teeth. 4. See your dentist regularly. Regular checkups with your dentist are vital to ensure the proper condition of the dental crowns. The dentist will inspect the crowns to detect any indication to wear, damage, or wear, and take care of any issues that could arise before they turn into bigger issues. Cleanings by a professional will ensure that your crowns look at their best and will help prevent problems with gum disease, which could affect your crown's longevity. 5. Do not use your teeth as instruments. A lot of people are guilty to use their teeth to break open boxes, tear tape, or even bite their nails. It can cause damage for dental crowns since it could weaken the bonds between the crown and tooth or lead to the crown to break. Do not use your teeth for instruments and instead use cutting tools or scissors instead to avoid any harm to the crown. 6. Clean your dental crowns properly. Alongside regular brushing and flossing, it is important to wash your crowns in a timely manner to eliminate the buildup of plaque and tartar. It is possible to use antimicrobial mouthwash that will cleanse your mouth and eliminate the bacteria that cause tooth dental decay. It is also possible to make use of a flossing device to scrub the hard-to-reach places around your crowns and ensure they are clear of any debris. As a result, the proper care of the dental crowns, you have to ensure their durability and effectiveness. If you follow these guidelines and implementing good dental hygiene practices, you will keep your crowns in good shape and looking great throughout the years. Make sure to visit your dentist on a regular basis for checks and cleans so that you can ensure the condition of your crowns and avoid any problems which may develop. Dental crowns represent an investment in your dental health, therefore it is essential to maintain the crowns properly so that they last for a long time.